What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe down below. I just want to let you know that this video is not sponsored today, so all the opinions here expressed will be my own. I am, however, wearing today my DOZ shirt because they gave me one. So all of you other CPA firms out there, if you want to see me wearing one of your shirts in one of my videos, just send me one. I wear a size XL. Thanks. All right, today, before we get started with this episode of Auditing Hacks, it's time for a calculator check. Calculator that I'm using today is the HB17B2 Plus. I got this calculator at a yard sale from a nice little old lady. She only used it on Sundays, so it's hardly been used at all. But this is a great calculator. I really love this one, and it comes with this handy carrying case as well. So that is cool. All right. So again, this is today's episode of Auditing Hacks. We're going to give you some tips on how to make auditing easier. Today's topic is inventories. I'm going to share some ways with you that you can use drones to make auditing inventory easier. So here's the number one way that you can use drones to make auditing inventories easier. Boom, that's right. If you blow the inventory up, then its value is 0 and there's nothing to audit. So that makes it a lot easier. So that's my number one tip for using drones to make your audits. What?
That's not how it works. That's not how any of this works.
Okay, so my friend Beatrice from the PCAOB has let me know that blowing up the inventory is not in accordance with PCAOB standards. So we'll move on to the number 2 way that you can use drones to make your inventory to make auditing inventories easier. So here goes. Let's take a look at this one. All right, so if the client is using the drone to count their inventory, then you as an auditor have an easier time if you trust what the drones are doing. And so you can have your IT audit people from your firm evaluate the programming of the audit, and then you can look at that and you can determine whether you trust the work that the drone is doing. And that makes it a lot easier, and especially in a time of coronavirus where you're not allowed sometimes to go to the client's location. If they're using drones, you can do all of this remotely. And so that's a great way to use drones to make auditing inventories easier. So, okay, that's it for today's episode. If you guys have any questions, post them in the comments down below. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Bye.